Once you've researched and planned an investigation, in the Section 1 ISA, the very last question will ask you to submit a design for a table of results. This is worth 2 marks. You're not allowed to attempt to draft it on your research notes. Your teacher will have to remove that from your research notes if you do by accident. So there'll be a reminder at the end of the Section 1 exam paper to hand in a blank table, but actually what we want you to do at Notre Dame is to draw your design for the table of results in the space underneath that question, rather than having yet more paperwork which could get lost. So have a look at this as an example for a design of a table of results. Imagine a student has submitted that with their Section 1 ISA. Pause the video, look very carefully at the table's column headings and anything else that's been provided, and ask yourself if it's the perfect table of results worth 2 marks. Okay, so perhaps surprisingly this table is worth no marks at all. The reason why is that the column headings have many mistakes in. For example, temperature of water is missing degrees Celsius in the column heading for the unit. It doesn't matter that the unit's been given against some example data. The example data is not required, and it's wrong to put the unit in the table in the body. It must go in the heading. Perhaps slightly more unfortunately, the student clearly knows that the time is measured in seconds, but if you are going to show columns for repeats, your average column needs the unit as well, and the average column heading is also very vague, average time. So it would have been far better for the student to keep it simple, like this. This would be worth 2 marks.